In front of me is Honor 400 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit system and updates. Then you need to hit simple mode, hit enable at the bottom and wait. So when I go back, as you can see, easy mode is now on. If you want to go back to your standard one, hit settings, scroll all the way down to click on exit simple mode and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!